Are you having difficulty in constructing even the simple words in English? Well, I'm here to help you. I'm teacher Jana and I'm from the Philippines but currently staying here in Abu Dhabi, United Arab Emirates, and I have a degree in political science, 18 years in elementary education, and 1 year of teaching experience ages 5 to 12. And I have conducted direct tutorial for my students. I have attended short ESL course because I love English language as a conversation. I love traveling to places, doing photo shoot, video editing, and vlogs. I have joined international speaking group for me to practice my skills in listening and speaking. As to my teaching style, I wanted to create a more engaging, fun, and learning environment for my students where they can apply it with confidence. I can teach for a beginner, intermediate, and even the middle. Having a nice and free-flowing conversation with my students and trying to learn their culture are my priorities. I believe that good communication is very important to convey ideas and emotions, and wherever you are, you'll be successful if you know how to speak with clarity and conciseness. So come, join me in my class, chat with me, and have fun. What are you waiting for?